Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Brahmin's Cafe. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare beetroot chutney, which is very easy to make and it can be served along with rice, idli or dosa. Today I'm serving this with dosa. For this, I have taken one beetroot which is medium size, grated finely using a grater, 1 spoon of urad dal, 1 spoon of Bengal gram, 1 small piece of ginger which can be chopped finely if required, and 3 to 4 red chilies. Depending upon your spice level, you can increase or decrease the red chilies. 2 to 3 spoons of coconut grated, 1 medium sized onion which is chopped finely, and few curry leaves. Heat the pan and add oil to it. So once oil gets hot, add the red chilies to it. And we have to roast this red chili till you get the nice aroma of it. Right. So once red chili, gets fried properly, we have to remove it, and we have to fry the other items. Right. So maybe just two minutes it would take for it to get fried. So why we are not keeping it along with frying other things? Because this chili might get over fried. So that might have taste different in the chutney. So now let's add the 1 spoon of urad dal and 1 spoon of Bengal gram to it and roast it. And here also we have to make sure that you should not roast it till it becomes brownish in color. So once it maybe say 1 minute or so, you just have to fry it. Immediately you should be adding onion to it. So once the onion is added, the dal will not get fried more because the moisture will prevent it from frying more. Now add the ginger. So it's up to you if you want to chop it, and you can add. I was little lazy to chop the ginger. And another thing is I like a little bit of raw taste of ginger, so that's the other reason why I did not chop it. If you wish, you can chop it also. So fry it maybe say another 1 or 2 minutes till the onion becomes little more translucent, and then we can add the beetroot to it. So initially you can see now beetroot has a lot of moisture, right? So we have to fry this beetroot until the moisture in the beetroot is being evaporated and it becomes very dry. Otherwise the raw taste of beetroot will be there in the chutney. So that can be prevented by having only the frying it till it becomes dry. So in between you can add curry leaves also to it. Curry leaves has a lot of benefits, as you know. If you grind it and you will along with the chutney, we can make sure that we are consuming it. Otherwise people tend to remove it while eating, right? So now we can see it has been almost gone, like the moisture content, but still it is there. At that point you can add the coconut to it. So I have added around 2 to 3 spoons of coconut. But if you wish, you can also add fried grams or even peanuts also you can add. Basically this coconut or peanuts we are adding to increase the volume of the chutney. So now you can see that I am able to mix it very easily. That's because moisture has been removed completely. Now I am turning off the heat. And I forgot to tell initially, we'll have to add a small piece of tamarind also to it, which would give a tangy taste to it. And along with that, I'm adding the previously fried red chilies. Now again mix it thoroughly, and I am adding a little bit of salt to it also to it, and I think I forgot to take the video of the same. And grind to a fine paste. And I'm just putting a small tadka here with mustard and red chilies, and your chutney is ready to be served. As I said, we can have this with rice also. It is perfectly fine with rice, but today I'm having it with dosa. Hope you enjoy my video. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.